How to make 4 flyers on 1 page in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open MS Word. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Insert. In Insert, click on Text Box. Click on Simple Text Box and adjust the size as you want for your flyers. After that, copy and paste the same thing or simply repeat the process and you're good to go. Simply save it as you want and your 4 flyers on 1 page in Word is ready. That's how you make 4 flyers on 1 page in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment